A new beginning, plans for a mosque in our growing community. The heart of our town is growing stronger. With the Muslim population increasing, the need for a dedicated space for worship and connection has become evident. This exciting development reflects our shared values of faith, belonging, and togetherness. Imagine a vibrant mosque, a welcoming space for prayers, education, and community events. Plans are now underway to bring this vision to life, creating a place where generations can unite in faith. It's a symbol of progress and unity, deeply rooted in the spirit of Islam. Local community members express their hopes for the new mosque. "It's more than a building, it's a home," says one member. Their joy and excitement capture the essence of what this project means for every Muslim family in our town. This is a win for the entire community. Be part of this inspiring movement, contribute ideas, share your support, and help make these plans a reality. Together, let's build a sanctuary where faith and community flourish. Follow us for updates and get involved today.